Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. The memberships are getting locked up pretty fast. And again, this is gonna be the last round of memberships before I lock everything on the Patreon and everything gets moved to the website. So as of right now, there are only 2 tiers left, and I really I'm not gonna be opening any more tiers. Once those spots are filled up, that's it, and I'm done. And everything's gonna be moved to the website, and it's gonna be a lot more. It's gonna be more expensive, obviously, right? But again, if you want to join, patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. Let's get started on the video. Very short video today. I do think, like I've said before, we're at the top of the market. This, our trigger for the bear side on SPX is going to be closing in 3 days and 10 hours. I will come back on Friday and let you guys know if we actually closed. I told you guys that we are at a possible top on Bitcoin, and I still think that we are, right? Everybody was saying that, oh, Bitcoin's going to keep running, it's not going to crash, blah, blah, blah. I do think that we are at highs. I think that like 11 ETFs passed on Bitcoin, and I was like, you know what? I think this is the top. Like everybody's being too greedy, regardless of what's happening, and even for the total market cap, right? I told you guys, I do think that if we push up, right, on 2.5, I think this would be a really good entry. But you can't be closing candles like this, right? This had to be a bullish candle close to the upside. So in 5 days on Sunday, if we close like this. This is more confirmation that this is the top, right? Again, this is more confirmation that this is the top, and not even that. I'm Bitcoin, right? Where's Coinbase? There you go. So on Bitcoin, again, right? Why did I think that we are at the top? Because you do have that same, trend hit, right? You hit the top of channel trend, boom, boom, and then boom, and again, this could definitely drop that back down to somewhere like I think it was like a 41K, I think I'm targeting right now. Yeah, like a 52K right now I'm targeting. So 52K. And again, for the total market cap of crypto, you can't be closing candles like this, bro. You know what I mean? Like I told you guys, like your really good chance of getting out of this without selling at the top would be selling here at this 2.4 level and then getting back in any closes above. But you have to bear candle for the week. This is a horrible candle, bro. You do realize this is like a full engulfing candle to the low side. Like right now I'd be targeting like $2 trillion market cap, right? Unless you like recover this whole thing by Sunday. This looks like you're gonna like drop down a minimum to at least a $2 trillion valuation, if not lower, right? So yeah, you had to have like this whole candle here should have been a bullish candle from here, from like 2.6 to like a 2.7, right? Like you can't be closing bear candles on the weekly like this. So this just gives me even more confirmation that we're at the top, right? Where's QQQ? And again, QQQ's been a really good indicator on the 2-week, right, of if we are actually at the top. So right now we're still kind of trading sideways, which is extremely bullish, right? So again, we closed the 2-week back in March 11th. So March 11th, you did close the 2-week, right, back here, and you've really just been trading sideways, which is kind of insane, to be honest. It just shows you how strong the market is right now. Like it's kind of ridiculous, really. The video is starting to come back down. I do think that NVIDIA is probably going to come back lower. I do think shorter term, it might actually be, did it close to the top? Let me see, charts. This is going to be in the 24-hour. 24-hour, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I mean, technically close to the top side, so I'm actually kind of surprised that it's dropping lower here. My guess is that it would have probably ran up unless it already hit. I don't think it hit fib yet. Yeah, I really don't think it hit fib. But this looks like it's going to come back down, which is kind of insane. And I really did think the video was going to pop from here to the upside. What about Tesla? Yeah, Tesla I do think is headed to 188. So Tesla, I wouldn't be surprised. But NVIDIA is actually kind of surprising, right? Really. But yeah, SPY, I mean, it's headed back down. Again, I don't really have much to say to you guys. Just kind of rephrasing what I kept saying is I do think we're at the top of the range, and I think we're going lower. I mean, that's really that simple. I really don't know what else to say. You know what I mean? So I do think lower. I do think a lot lower. Same thing with QQQ. QQQ, I do think lower on QQQ, right? And even on the NASDAQ 100, same thing as the QQQ, right? Yeah, we're already under. Like this thing already hit target, right? Where's my range? There you go. Yeah, it's hitting target right there. Right. So on the 4 hour, it just came right back down to 18216. Let me see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not yet. I can't do it yet. But again, it already hit target, right? And then SPX. I think this one's about to go lower. Yeah, once that breaks, you're probably going to like 520 on SPX. And then also I wanted to give you guys some sauce on TLT. TLT just broke, right? TLT broke that bottom range, right? So this would be a really good time. I mean, I wouldn't say do it, but obviously if any close under here, right? Any close right here, like you're looking at the next stop is gonna be $88. And the options for like a month out, if you run it to 80, if you like buy a strike of 88, it's like a 10x, right? So I'm personally probably gonna get into these for like a month out just to be safe. I'm currently in Unity puts. This stupid shit does not want to fall, bro. Like I need this thing to drop to 2150. That's my target. Like this shit just doesn't want to drop. Like it's just been trading sideways since I got in, right? I'm just kind of like, I've been holding this shit for like a week and a half, and I'm like, move, dude. But yeah. Yeah, this video is not really any DA. It's mostly just, confirmation of what I posted, like, I think, like, a couple days ago. Is just, I still think we're at the top of the range, bro. So, Bitcoin, crypto, QQQs, buy all that good stuff, right? And then I just gave you guys some free sauce on TOT, right? And I actually just saw Coin, right? Coin actually hit my target overnight, which is kind of wild, right? See, Coin's about to hit 239.66, more than likely today, right? So I would have gotten in these yesterday if I could have actually taken these. But all my whole position's in Unity, right? So I'm really just trying to kind of like chilling until that thing hits. I mean, I wish I could have gotten on Coin. I would have easily gone on Coin last night, and it would have hit already today in the morning. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.